So now we're going to continue on, after having looked at the functional groups, to look at the biologically important molecule groups that make up the human body. The first group in your lab packet is the carbohydrates. Here we can see in your lab packet a picture of a glucose molecule, which is a monomer for a carbohydrate, but there's also two other monomers that we can use, fructose or galactose. All monosaccharides have as their job to create energy for the body, and they all have the same chemical formula, C6H12O6, but the configuration of how the carbons, hydrogens, and oxygens come together makes each one of the monomers different. The only one that we focus on in lab is the glucose molecule, and here is an example of a glucose molecule. All right, so here you can see the 6 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 oxygens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hydrogen molecules. I think I kind of missed one there, a double counted one. But that's C6H12O6, which is glucose. When we string many glucose, fructose, or galactose together, we make a polysaccharide, such as starch, cellulose, and glycogen. We don't have a model to show you that, but in your lab packet, if you take a look at the picture just below this, and this is from your textbook, you can see how, through dehydration synthesis, we take 2 monosaccharides, such as glucose. Through dehydration synthesis, we remove a water, we join them by a covalent bond to form a disaccharide known as maltose. And then when we join together many monomers of a carbohydrate, whether it be glucose, galactose, fructose, they all bind together. We make these long polymer chains, which can change their shape and become known as starch or glycogen. And those are what we ingest in our body or our body makes.